Hi, my name is Jasmine. I'm 6 years old and this is my first video. So today we're gonna make little Chewie, that real name is Chewbacca. See, it's a little, fortune teller, but it can't open because I taped it right here. And you see this? I made yesterday. You just put your little fingers inside and look. Oh, it's me. This is Han Solo and this is Princess Leia. Han Solo and Princess Leia. I'm trying to make it as a plane. So, what do you need to make this project? You need a brown piece of paper that I painted, like this. Extra paper, scissors, markers, but these are, you need like the real markers that you need. Yeah. So, what time is it? It's making time. So, this is how you make it. Get your brown piece of paper. See, it's colored on the top and not on the bottom. So you flip it over. You make it into a rectangle. You're trying to make it very, very straight. You can. Straight. This is the best that I can do, but if it's not straight, you can cut it here to make it straight. See, now it's all straight. So the next thing you need to do, fold it into a square like this. You fold like this all the way here, line it up, and then fold. And then you open it up again. You open it up again. And then on this side with the white, you fold it. I'm trying to do the best as I can. If you want to make it straight, you just put your fingers here, the finger there, and then fold it. But I don't do that, of course, because I'm 6 years old. Fold it. Then it becomes a little square, and then flip it over, and then do another square on this side. And then every last corner, do a little square, like a little envelope. And then you fold it. Fold it. Fold. And then first I need to cut it, tiny bit. Grip it. So, here's my little Chewy. Next, we're the bow and arrow, the little bow and arrow. And then we're about see this thing. It's his little bow and arrow. It goes like something. He kind of pulls it something, and then and that bow and arrow gets out, and then he lets go. Bang! Wait. Here I am. So, see, and now you can put your bow and arrow wherever you want. I made this, like right there. You can put like here, you can put anywhere. But today, it's not gonna, kind of not be, I'm gonna put underneath this thing, not on top of it. See, I'm gonna put the bow and arrow underneath if you have any space. And for just in case, I'm gonna use a little tiny of tape. Stick it. If there's too much on the side, just cut that. And see? Ta-da! If you wanted to make it more darker, like this, little Chewy, would you like? Wait, I haven't made the video yet, so bye. I hope you enjoy. Send pictures to send to me, and let me see how it goes.